Did you know that you could add 5, 10, 15, or even 20 years to your roof's lifespan, even if it's already old and leaking? Before you spend the money on replacing or repairing your roof, it is imperative that you get a thorough examination done first. Imagine if you went to a doctor with chest pains and he gave you a prescription without giving you a proper examination first. He could potentially misdiagnose you, and you could end up in an even worse spot health-wise than you were in before. Well, the same thing can happen if your roofer gives you the wrong recommendation because he failed to give you a proper diagnosis. At JMAR Roofing, we use top-of-the-line thermal drones that can identify the exact areas of water saturation underneath your roof membrane, so that way we can target those areas for repair. Plus, our handheld infrared cameras can trace leaks on the inside of your building. And last but not least, our AI software can identify any kind of damage on your roof. Plus, they'll circle and count the exact number of hail hits, wind-damaged shingles, or mechanically damaged areas on your roof. These high-tech drones make it easy to inspect tall buildings without having to climb all the way up there and risking more damage to your property or our inspectors. Our forensic-style approach to roof inspecting will help us give you the best recommendation to extend the life of your roof without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching this video.